Summer reading program is anticipated across Fairfax County. We have right now about 200 programs we're going to be doing this summer, specifically for the summer reading program. And that includes a wide variety of entertainers as well as our traditional story times for preschoolers and toddlers. We have about 10,000 students, that's children and young adults, participating by registering online. We offer a wide variety of programming year-round for parents and children. We have programming for infants, for toddlers, for school-age children, for teens, and also for adults. We are very fortunate to have a wide variety of entertainers, people sharing stories, helping children learn narrative skills, enforcing what they're learning in school and reinforcing learning, but also having fun.
Step into his garden and, oh no!
So our library website is fairfaxcounty.gov/library, and parents and families can look up by age group, by library branch, by interest, and find out all the different library programs that we offer at all of our different branches. And they can sign up online also, so they can find their place and secure a seat or reservation for our programs.